Hello guys, this is Tech Life Hack. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can open up a YouTube channel under a minute. In this video, I'm also going to show you how we can customize and a few tips and tricks along the way. So let's get started. Okay guys, head over to your browser, go to youtube.com, click on your profile, click on create a channel, and it will ask you to give it a name to your channel. So let me give it as test YT channel, and it will ask you to upload a picture. So remember guys, this is the logo that you can see on your channel. So to create a logo, I'll suggest you to go to Google and search for logo maker online free, and go to the first link in the browser, and here you can see you can enter it as your company name. Let me create as test YT channel, and here you can pick industry as YouTube channel, click on continue, and you can choose any of these. Let me skip. I'm going to choose the color blue, click on continue, and I'll continue. I'll select TV channel, continue, and it will show you the logos that you can use for your YouTube channel. So I'll use this website to create my logo. So let me just directly go to my channel and upload a picture that I have created using the same site. So this is the one. So click on done, and it will take 2 to 3 4 seconds to load up this one. And once this is done, click on create a channel, and there you go, your channel is created successfully. So, and after this you have to customize your channel. So for that, you just need to click on customize the channel, and here you can see bunch of options that you have to add to stand up your channel. So I'll suggest you to first go to branding. This is a picture that we have just uploaded, and at the bottom you can see banner image. So this banner image will show up different ways in different platforms, as you can see here. So for this one also, I would suggest you to go to Google and search YouTube banner maker online free. I'll suggest you to go with the first one, and here you can see you have a lot of different options to choose from. You can just directly click on YouTube channel art, and from here you can type your content. So I'll just search for gaming, and here you can see you have a lot of different banners that you can edit and download it from. So let me just go to my YouTube channel, and here I'll going to upload my banner that I have downloaded. This is the same one I'm going to use, and as you can see, it's showing as viewable on different platforms like desktop and mobile. Click on done, and it will going to reflect after a moment. And at the bottom you can see a watermark. This is actually a button that you can show up on your videos, so that when it clicked on, you can make it such a way that you can add subscribe button over here, and add you can add this button in YouTube videos so that they can subscribe. So for this one also, you can go to Google and search for YouTube subscribe watermark download. So I have chose this website. You can go to this one, and you can choose different types of samples over here. I have chosen this one and click on download and you will be downloaded. So let me just upload mine. As you can see, this is my button. Click on it and choose and done. And you can choose at which part this button can show up. I will set it as entire video. This is a basic info, and here you can see you can give the description, and for this also you can actually go to Google and search for YouTube description template, and you can choose various websites that suggest you to suggest a different types of formats of description, which you can copy paste over here. And this is a channel URL. For less than 1000 subscribers you will given this temporary channel URL. Once you cross the 1000 subscriber mark, you can request for your custom URL. So for now let it be, and here you can add links. You can add your Instagram, you can add your Telegram, you can add your other profiles over here so that they can contact you, contact you over the other social media platforms. So once this is done, click on publish, and then other customization thing you have to go to is go to settings, and here you can set your currency as India. So let me going to choose as INR and go to channel, and here you can choose your residency. I'm going to choose mine as India, and here you can add your keywords that related to your channel. Remember to add your the keyword as the content related to your channel. So for me I'm going to say, let's just say life hacks, click comma, and YouTube tutorials. So I'm going to add YouTube tutorials and click comma. So this way you can add your keywords and add as many as keywords as possible and make sure they are related to your content. Go to advanced, and here you can see different options, and make sure you check this one, because this is where you have to mention that it is suitable for kids or not. So let me just, since my channel is suitable for kids, I'm going to select yes, and then go to upload defaults, and here where you can add the description, title, and visibility, and I'm going to set it as public and go to advanced option, and there you can see YouTube a license, and you can select the category of your content. So for me I'm going to set it as education for now, and click on save, and once this is done, settings are saved, you can just click on view channel, and this is how your channel going to look. So this is a test channel, and I hope you learned something today. Have a good day. Bye bye.